Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to add watermark using Capcut in a video. So first of all, open your Capcut app. Select New Project. Select a video and then add it. Now you have to add some text. So select text. Select Add Text. Write something. You can style it as you want to. And then when you come below, you can see there is an option opacity. Raise it as you want. See, it's done. Now tap on the right option. Export it. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.